The derivation that we'll do today is the power factor or power spent in an LCR circuit. So as we know, power is equals to VI and dW by dt is power, and we can write VI as EI. So dW becomes EI dt, and I we know E is equals to E naught sine omega t into I naught sine omega t plus phi dt. So we get E naught I naught sine omega t into sine omega t cos phi plus cos omega t sine phi, and we have dt. So we get, to find out work done, we'll integrate dw, which will be equal to E naught I naught, we take it outside, we take the limits as 0 to t, sine omega t, in the bracket we have this whole thing dt. So E naught I naught 0 to t, we get sine square omega t cos phi plus sine omega t cos omega t sine phi dt on whole. So taking the integration further, we get E naught I naught 0 to 2 sine square omega t dt plus sine phi, as cos phi is constant, so we have cos phi here, sine phi 0 to t sine omega t cos omega t dt. So let us consider this as first integration and this one as second integration. So when we take I1 is equals to 0 to t sine square omega t dt. So which is equal to t by 2. Taking I2, we get 0 to t sine omega t cos omega t, which becomes 0. So what is the final answer? We get W is equals to E naught I naught cos phi t by 2, as the second part becomes 0. So W is equals to E naught I naught cos phi into t and by 2. This is the work done in an LCR circuit. We can write omega by t is equals to E naught I naught 2 cos phi, and also consider this becomes power. Power is equals to E naught by root 2 I naught by root 2. We have just written 2 as root 2 into root 2 cos phi, and power is equal to EV IV cos phi. This is the answer. So this is the true power. This is the apparent power, and this is the power factor. So what does the formula become? true power is equals to apparent power into power factor, or we can write the power factor is equals to true power upon apparent power if we want to find out the formula for power factor, that is cos phi. Also, if we need to find the power factor by the impedance triangle, the impedance triangle looks like this. We have a right angle triangle. Let me just erase this. 95, we have R here, we have XL minus XC here. So we get R is equals to XL minus XC square plus minus, it will be plus R square. So tan phi becomes XL minus XC upon R. This is the impedance triangle of the LCR circuit. Impedance triangle. What does cos phi become? Cos phi becomes R upon Z, and power factor, which is cos phi, becomes equal to R upon Z. R is the resistance and Z is the impedance of the LCR circuit. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.